First one, the basic one, is gliding. Full hand contact. This is where you apply some lubricant, some oil or some cream that helps you kind of glide along. It is a gliding stroke. It's soothing, it's relaxing, and it's sort of a lengthening stroke that you do for muscles. Then you might do some compressions, which are what I said, they're compressions. I imagine that if you have a sponge that's full of water and you push down on the sponge and the water squishes out, let up on the sponge and the water rushes back in. That's what you want to think about when you're doing compressions. There's percussion or tapotement. That's kind of like drumming on the body, but the trick with that one is not to hammer on someone. It's more of a flicking, and the emphasis is on the upstroke of the movement. And it's a tonifying, energetic technique that you could use sort of at the end of the massage to kind of wake somebody up again and get them ready to go back to work. The other one is kneading, or what's also known as Petrissage in the Swedish vocabulary. That's if you imagine kneading some bread. Hand over hand, good full contact, lifting and squeezing the muscles. It feels good to pull the muscle away from the body. It's a very softening, relaxing technique.